As humanity prepares for ambitious journeys beyond Earth's protective environment, one of the greatest challenges facing astronauts is radiation. Deep space is filled with high-energy particles that constantly travel through the cosmos. Unlike astronauts in low Earth orbit, future crews traveling to Mars or beyond will spend extended periods exposed to this invisible hazard. Understanding how deep space radiation interacts with human DNA is essential for predicting biological risks on long-duration missions. Earth is protected by two remarkable shields: its magnetic field and atmosphere. Together, they deflect or absorb much of the harmful radiation arriving from the sun and distant cosmic sources. Once astronauts leave this protective cocoon, they encounter a far harsher environment dominated by galactic cosmic rays and occasional solar particle events. These energetic particles can penetrate spacecraft walls, human tissue, and even individual cells. DNA serves as the body's genetic blueprint, containing instructions needed for growth, repair, and normal cellular function. Under ordinary conditions, cells possess sophisticated mechanisms that detect and repair DNA damage. However, the radiation encountered in deep space presents unique challenges because of its energy and penetrating power. When high-energy particles pass through living tissue, they can directly strike DNA molecules or generate reactive chemical species. This may result in single-strand breaks, double-strand breaks, altered chemical bases, or complex clusters of damage. Such injuries are often more difficult for cellular repair systems to correct accurately. If DNA repair mechanisms function perfectly, the damage may be removed with little consequence. However, repair is not always flawless, and errors can occur during the reconstruction process. These errors can cause mutations that permanently alter genetic information. Over time, repeated exposure to radiation increases the likelihood that such mutations will accumulate within cells. Some mutations may be harmless, while others can interfere with critical biological functions. Changes affecting genes involved in cell division, DNA repair, or tumor suppression could increase cancer risk. Researchers also investigate whether prolonged radiation exposure might contribute to cardiovascular disease, neurological effects, immune dysfunction, and accelerated aging. Deep space radiation differs because heavy ions can create dense tracts of damage as they travel through tissue. Instead of isolated injuries, these particles may disrupt multiple cellular structures simultaneously. This complexity makes the resulting biological effects particularly difficult to predict and study. Scientists are also exploring whether radiation could influence gene expression without changing the DNA sequence itself. Certain environmental stresses can trigger epigenetic changes that modify how genes are activated or silenced. Long-duration exposure to deep space conditions may reshape cellular behavior in ways that remain incompletely understood. Evidence from astronaut studies provides valuable clues about biological changes associated with spaceflight. Research has documented shifts in immune responses, gene activity, and cellular stress pathways during space missions. While many observed effects appear reversible after returning to Earth, questions remain about missions lasting several years in deep space. To address these concerns, engineers and scientists are developing multiple protective strategies. Improved spacecraft shielding, radiation monitoring systems, optimized mission timing, specialized habitats, and pharmaceuticals may help reduce exposure. Researchers are investigating materials capable of better absorbing energetic particles before they reach crew members. Future exploration missions will test humanity's ability to endure the deep space environment. Although the human body possesses remarkable resilience and repair systems, prolonged cosmic radiation remains a significant biological challenge. By understanding how radiation interacts with DNA and cellular processes, scientists hope to develop effective safeguards for long missions. As exploration expands across the solar system, protecting the human genome may become as important as building rockets, producing oxygen, or finding water. Safeguarding future generations will require science, engineering, and careful stewardship of astronaut health.